Hello and welcome to the UTA School of Social Work. This short video would give you an introduction to the MSW online 26-month program for direct practice in mental health and substance abuse. This is a cohort orientation for students starting in the fall of 2018. Let's first find out whether you're in the right place. Are you a traditional student who has decided to focus on direct practice in mental health and substance abuse? Are you interested in a fully online cohort model, which will have you enrolled as a full-time student for the duration of your program? If so, you're probably in the right place. If you're part of this cohort, you will graduate in August of 2020 by taking 16-week classes with your peers who will follow you for the duration of the program. So you'll get to develop relationships with other students in the program, and you'll see them in your classes from semester to semester. That's what being a part of a cohort is, and that's what many of our online students really appreciate about the program. This is a screenshot of your degree plan, which you should be familiar with already. It's available on our website, and it should have been given to you by your advisor. This is the way your classes will be lined out for the fall, spring, and summer semesters for 2 years. You can see that your first fall and spring semesters, you'll be enrolled in 9 hours of online classes each semester, and then you'll start your field placement in the semesters following that. I know that you're online students, but I thought you might like to see the Arlington campus. We are located in a historic building in the old Arlington High School, kind of right in the center of Arlington on the north side of UTA's campus. Our dean is Dr. Scott Ryan. Our associate dean is Dr. Deborah Woody, and I'm the director of our graduate programs, Dr. Diane Mitchke. I hope that you'll get connected with us. We're very active on social media, and we post highlights about the great work that our students are doing in the community and the research that our faculty is doing on different social media outlets. If you go to our website, you can connect there with us on a variety of different social media platforms. I also encourage you to download the UTA mobile app. This will give you access to current news that's coming out of UTA about research that's happening, events that are going on, pictures, and if you do come to campus, you can use the map feature to find different buildings on campus. So most students find it pretty useful. We are ranked number 22 in the nation for most affordable MSW programs. We're really proud of being able to offer a quality, affordable MSW program here in Texas. We're ranked number 1 in Texas for veteran friendliness, and ranked number 3 for our online programs among MSW programs across the nation by graduateprograms.com. All of that to say, I think you've made a really good choice in choosing UTA to pursue your graduate education, and I think by the time you graduate, you will be really proud of the fact that you are an alumni of our school, because you will be prepared to go out into the field and practice social work as a mental health expert. So welcome to graduate school. We are going to equip you with the tools and the expertise you need to practice social work with individuals facing addiction, individuals who are facing mental health crises, and individuals who are on the road to recovery. We're going to provide you with the skills that you need to begin diagnosing and treating mental illness, and we will equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to go enter practice as an LMSW. So that's a quick introduction to the school. If you click on the next video, Student Support Services, you'll learn about the different support services that we have available to you as graduate students as you begin your graduate studies here. And that video is presented by Ms. Patrice Green, who is our coordinator in our Office of Advising and Student Success. So thank you and welcome. And please reach out to me, Dr. Diane Mitschke, if you have any questions as you begin the program. We're glad you're here.